Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Citroen C4 here. Just gonna show you how to jumpstart this car. Basically, on most of the cars, the battery is quite visible, and you can connect the jump leads, the positive to the plus, the red, and the negative to the earth, which is the black minus, and that's the plus. But on this one, all you could see is you could only see the plus on this side, and the minus is right at the back. So you should never touch the battery or any of these cables right here, wires. Don't remove this cover. All you need to do is, if you can, connect the jump lead, the red, to the plus, which is positive, and then the negative, which is earth. Usually you would do it on the eye here, which is the engine bay right there, you can see, but I can't fit these through. So what I need to do is I need to find a suitable place, which I think this area here would be perfect. All you then do is connect the jump leads on. Once you've done that, connect it to the running car, and then sit in this car and then just jump start it. That should do the trick, and it should start up. As soon as you've started the car up, all you do is remove the negative and then remove the positive, and job done. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.